Hello everyone. We're finally here at the end of this project, thankfully, and as you all know by now, I'm opening a health clinic that focuses on acute and prompt care in the East St. Louis area. The operation hours for my clinic will be from Monday through Sunday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., and we offer a variety of services that are very beneficial if you need fast and efficient care. Our services range from Our services range from treating illnesses to different injuries, such as broken bones, cuts, scratches, and sicknesses such as the flu, bronchitis, and pneumonia, to give you some examples. Our staff here is very qualified and professional, as I hired them myself as the owner of the clinic. I hope you guys stop by and give us a try. We are going to be the best care that you ever got. Thank you.